Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the indoor exercise bike for seniors, a versatile 5-in-1 foldable stationary bike designed to elevate your home workout experience. This bike offers a seamless transition between three unique riding positions: upright competitive for intense cardio, semi-recumbent for a relaxed ride, and upright standard for a classic cycling experience, all with a simple height adjustment. With its 16-level magnetic resistance system, featuring 4 high-grade magnets and a 5.5-pound aluminum-rimmed flywheel, you can enjoy smooth, whisper-quiet resistance adjustments tailored to both beginners and seasoned athletes. Easy assembly is guaranteed with clear instructions and video guidance, making it accessible for all skill levels. Designed to accommodate riders from 4 feet 11 inches to 6 feet 6 inches and support up to 300 pounds, this bike folds completely for compact storage and comes with wheels for easy transportation. The built-in LCD display tracks key stats like time, speed, and calories burned, and includes a convenient phone holder for entertainment during your workout. With the X-Bike 817, you also receive product manuals, installation tools, and a 12-month commitment of carefree protection and friendly customer service. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.